In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save DocuSign envelopes step by step. Whether you want to reuse a document, create a reusable template, or simply make your signing process faster in the future, this method will help you do it the right way. I'll walk you through everything from start to finish, so you can confidently save your DocuSign envelope without missing anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can manage envelopes, templates, and documents. To save an envelope for future use, what we're going to do is create a template. Templates allow you to reuse the same document structure, recipients, and fields without rebuilding everything from scratch every time. From the top navigation menu, click on Templates. This section stores all of your reusable templates. Once you're inside the Templates area, click on Create Template. This will allow you to build and save a document setup that you can reuse anytime. Now you'll need to give your template a name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might name it Client Agreement Template or Employee Contract Standard. After naming it, click on Upload, then select Desktop if your document is saved on your computer. Locate your file and upload it into DocuSign. Once the document is uploaded, the next step is to fill in the recipients. Add the names and email addresses of the people who will be signing the document. You can assign roles like signer, carbon copy, or other recipient types depending on your needs. If you're creating a reusable template, you can define roles instead of specific emails so the template works for different people each time. After adding recipients, click on Add Message. This is where you can create the subject line and email message that recipients will see when they receive the document. Write a clear and professional message so signers understand what the document is about and what they need to do. When everything looks good, click Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document editor. Here is where you drag and drop fields onto the document. On the left side, you'll see different field options like signature, date signed, text, checkboxes, and more. Drag the required fields onto the appropriate sections of the document. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. You can switch between recipients at the top and place signature and date fields wherever they are required. Take your time here to ensure everything is positioned correctly, because this determines how the final envelope will function when sent. Once you've added all the necessary fields and reviewed the document, click Save. This saves your template, which effectively seals your envelope setup for future use. Now, anytime you want to send the same document again, you can simply go to Templates, select this Save template, and send it without rebuilding everything. And that's how you save DocuSign envelopes by turning them into reusable templates. It's a huge time saver, especially if you frequently send the same contracts or agreements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.